Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well, so let's start today's video. So today I am super excited to share with you this lovely mold by Epoxy Resin. Always love to work with their molds. So this was actually a surprise mold, but I did open it. Now I'm going to show you what is inside. So here we go. It is such a lovely turtle mold, and you can see that it has a wavy effect inside. I am so excited to try. All of their turtle molds are so amazing. So I have a list of videos I will link at the end so you can see all the turtle creations that I have made so far. I'm super excited to try this one. So for making this turtle, I'm going to use this glitter. I will be showing you few variations, and this is the pigment that I have used. It has a little bit of pearl inside and I have mixed into the resin. So it's going to be a transparent sort of resin here. And as I always say that you need to have a low viscosity resin for making these sort of creations to get the best results. So the glitter and the color that I showed you, I have mixed into the resin. So I'm going to fill this all the way with the resin. So very slowly I'm adding the resin into the mold. So in this way I do avoid a lot of air bubbles. And after that I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day. Super excited to see the results, how it looks like. And here we go, it is out of the mold. I just love this, how detailed the mold is. It is such a true sort of turtle design and the glitter is doing justice. I'm just loving it. It's such a beautiful mold. And now I will be showing you a bit different variations. So this one is done, on to the next one. So for my next one, I am going with a little bit of clear, because in the first one I added the glitter. Now I want to see how it looks like on its own. So I am very carefully adding resin. Again, you need to have a very low viscosity resin for this. So I'm pouring it in two layers. First layer was clear, I left it to cure, and for my second layer I added a hint of green clear epoxy pigment, and now I'm going to fill this up all the way. And I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. This is the next day. I'm going to demold it now. And this is how it is looking like in the clear epoxy resin. I'm just loving it. So on its own, it is really pretty. I really love the design of this mold. And now on to the third one. For my third one, I added interference blue mica pigment. It is a blue-violet mica pigment interference. And I'm going to do this again in two layers. So first layer is going to be this one, and for my second layer I just simply mixed my black resin, I poured it, and then I left this to cure. Making these turtles were really fun to make. So I did fill this a lot with the resin and just left a little space for the black. So I left this, and now on to the results for the next day. So this is the next day and I poured the black as I explained. And let's see how this one turns out. And here we go. I just love the deep blue color, and then there is a hint of violet, and this is how it is looking like. This one turned out to be so lovely, and this was actually my favorite, and then another one also. And on to the fourth one. I was so addicted with this one. I made this one in few steps. For my first, I just poured some clear resin and then I left it to cure. So this layer is cured, and now I'm going to use some chameleon flakes. So these are the flakes. So basically these are OPAL chameleon flakes. So I'm going to rub that just a little bit onto the cured resin. Simply with the just a help of my finger, I'm just rubbing it onto the every part of the turtle. And then I poured some clear resin. Left it to cure and on to the next day. And for my next day, I mixed some purple mica powder into the resin. So I just went with a different step in this one. So as I have explained that I mix purple mica into the resin, and now I'm going to just pour the solid layer. This mold was so addictive. I could have been making them so many, but I did stop myself and I thought, I think 4 are enough for get a different design variation. But again, it's really up to you, whatever design you want to make with these. They are so perfect. So I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day, and now we will see how this one turns out. And I just love how this one turned out. It's like something is shiny, or you can say glowing inside the turtle here. Shell here. So these are all done, and let's see the final look of all of them. So this is the final look of all of them in the bright sunny day. So you can see there is some texture into the mold itself, and you can see how shiny the finish is. Yeah, I know there are air bubbles into this one. My mistake is that I always recommend everyone to use low viscosity resin, but I had some this high viscosity resin mixed up and I poured. It is a mistake, but I always suggest everyone to use a low viscosity resin. So this is the second one with the glitter, and this is so anyone who loves turtles or tortoise, this is a perfect mold. You can put crystals also. You can create them into beach themes. So many variations you can do with that. So many possibilities. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked today's video. And if you do, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.